Hello, and welcome to the setup of the Circadian 4D DualFlex massage chair. In this video, we're going to walk you through the step-by-step assembly of setting up your new premium massage chair. When your chair arrives, it's going to be in 3 separate boxes. The larger of the 3 boxes contains the main body of the chair and the shoulder panels. The long, medium-sized box contains 2 arm panels, and the smallest box holds the footrest. The only tools required for this assembly is an M8 hex key and a Phillips head screwdriver, which both come included within the accessory box. Let's start with the larger box. Once opened, lift the top of the box straight up and set aside. Now remove and open the small accessory box, which will contain the remote tablet, the tablet holder, a tablet mount cover, 1 power cord, spare clips and fuses, 2 arm panel connectors, a Phillips head screwdriver, a hex key, 2 long and small bolts, 10 long screws, 4 small screws, 2 extra small screws, 2 big size washers, 2 medium size washers, an assembly guide, a quick start guide, the user manual, and lastly, the warranty card. Don't forget to register your warranty. Now let's remove the shoulder panels box and set it aside. Then remove any remaining foam or plastic protective packaging surrounding the chair. To move the chair off the bottom tray, we will need to cut the tray corners and lay its sides flat. Now walk the chair out of the tray by lifting and sliding each end until the chair clears the tray. The chair can be very heavy, so remember to use your legs, not your back, when lifting or solicit help for this process. Now we must recline the seat into a forward upright position. To do this, we must first plug the remote into the chair's 5-pin control port, which is located on the bottom left corner of the seat cushion. Ensure the pins are lined up, then screw down the fastener to properly secure the connection. Once the remote is plugged in, use the power cord from the accessory box to plug the chair in. Flip the main power switch on. The tablet should immediately turn on and display the Infinity logo, followed by a yellow warning screen. Tap the red button on the warning screen to proceed to the home page. Hit the power button in the top right corner to bring the chair into an upright position. Once the chair is fully upright, turn off the chair and unplug the power cable. With the body out of the box, let's get the rest of the pieces unboxed. When unboxing the 2 side arm panels, we recommend keeping them off rough surfaces to prevent any damage to the outside shell. Let's start with the right arm panel. To indicate which panel is left or right, simply locate the letter corresponding to each side.
Left and right sides are determined by the orientation of the user sitting in the chair.
On the inside of the panel, we can see several important pieces of the assembly. There is the back hook, the electrical ports and air nozzle, the arm panel clip, which will rest on the chair's body rail, and the 2 screw holes to firmly connect the arm to the body of the chair. Bring the right arm panel to the side of the frame and connect the 2 electrical cords to their corresponding 8-pin port. Then connect the air hose to its corresponding nozzle. Carefully lift the arm and guide the back hook into its resting place toward the back of the frame. Then place the arm panel clip onto the body rail and gently slide it into place. Push down firmly to fully seat the panel, then push back at the foot of the panel to slide the panel all the way to the back of the frame. Next, ensure the arm panel clip remains on the body rail as you locate the top arm panel screw hole. Once you have positioned the screw hole, grab one long bolt, one big washer, and one arm panel connector from the accessory box. Insert the bolt and finger tighten. This will help keep the top of the arm panel in place while you ensure the bottom screw hole lines up with the inside of the arm panel by the footwell. Now tighten down the top panel bolt with the provided hex key. Next, insert the small bolt and the medium-sized washer to the top hole in the inside of the arm panel. Repeat these steps to the other side of the chair. Now let's attach the two shoulder panels to the chair. Unzip the zipper found underneath the shoulder airbag to gain easy access to screw holes needed to secure the shoulder panel to the chair. Fold back all chair cushioning to get it out of the way. Now locate the shoulder panel mounting brackets on the outward-facing side of the panel and slide the mounting brackets into the chair's body mounting channels. Make sure not to pinch the air hose and electrical cord as they pass through the hole in the panel. Then firmly secure the shoulder panel. Pull the air hose and electrical from chair body through the shoulder panel. Fasten the air hose and then the electrical connector. With the Phillips head screwdriver, fasten three 5M 20mm screws to secure the panel. Now close the shoulder airbag and zipper together. Next, locate another M5 20mm screw and fasten it to the top screw hole of the panel. Then an M4 16mm screw and a medium-sized washer into the bottom middle screw hole. This will fully secure the shoulder panel to the body of the chair. Repeat on the other side. In the last box is the footrest. The footrest can be very heavy, so remember to lift with your legs, not your back. Bring the footrest close to the foot of the chair and connect the electrical plug and air hose to their corresponding connection ports. Plug the 8-pin electrical plug into the 8-pin port and the air hose to the air nozzle. Before sliding the footrest into place, there are clips on the footrest pins that you will have to remove. If you have any issues, use the included screwdriver and gently lift the piece of the clip that is keeping it in place, then gently slide it off the axle. Lift the footrest and slide the footrest hinge over the pin on the body of the chair. Slide the first one down the axle pin all the way. This should give you enough space to maneuver the footrest up onto the other axle pin. Then replace the clips to secure it into place. If you misplace and lose any of the clips, there are some spares in the accessory box. Then zipper the closure between the footrest and the chair's body. Locate the tablet holder from the accessory box, and using the screwdriver, remove the 2 screws from the tablet holder mount. Make sure the mount stays attached to the chair once you have removed the screws. Place the tablet holder into the tablet holder mount and then reinsert the 2 screws. Once screwed into place, attach the cover to the holder mount and then place the tablet remote within the holder. To familiarize yourself with the tablet remote control, use your phone to scan the QR code printed on the remote tablet's screen film packaging. This will take you to the Infinity website, where you can watch a video tutorial on all the tablet remote features and functions of your new premium massage chair. Scroll down the page to find the Circadian 4D DualFlex remote tutorial. The chair is now fully assembled and ready to use. Plug in the power cord and toggle the main power switch back on, then turn on the chair using the remote. Now run an auto program to ensure that everything is working properly. If everything is working properly, feel free to take a seat and relax. Enjoy your Circadian 4D DualFlex massage chair, and thank you for being a part of the Infinity family.